Before we start the podcast, we wanted to let you know about WestOS. If you're a teacher or pupil at a school in Scotland, then you now have access to hundreds of quality assured video lessons created by teachers to support your remote learning. You should be able to find WestOS within the app library of Glow, where you can add the tile to your own personal launchpad. Click on the tile and you'll have immediate access to stream lessons in every area of the Scottish curriculum, with video lessons already available for biology at National 5, Higher and Advanced Higher. Now let's get on with the podcast. This podcast is sponsored by Lecky Textbooks, revision guides and practice papers, everything you need to learn, review and prepare for your senior phase assessments. Browse the books at www.leckyscotland.co.uk and get 40% off using the discount code LeckyPodcast40. We're thrilled by the overwhelming support for our episodes featuring top-notch experts delving into various biological realms. Thanks to the feedback from higher biology students, we're launching shorter, punchy revision episodes. Get ready for quick summaries of key areas to turbocharge your exam prep. These short episodes can support your exam preparation and are not intended to replace other important aspects of your revision. In this short revision summary, we'll be looking at the structure of the genome. You could think of the genome as a tapestry woven with genes, regulatory sequences, and non-coding RNA, each thread essential for the symphony of life. The genome of an organism is its entire hereditary information encoded in DNA. A genome is made up of genes which code for protein and other DNA sequences that do not code for proteins. Most of the eukaryotic genome consists of non-coding sequences. Some of these non-coding sequences regulate transcription, and others are transcribed but never translated. For example, tRNA and rRNA are non-translated forms of RNA. In summary, the genome consists of base sequences involved in regulating transcription, base sequences which are transcribed to RNA to produce the primary mRNA transcript, and base sequences which are transcribed but not translated. The structure of the genome is a critical aspect of biology that underpins many fundamental processes, including gene regulation, inheritance, evolution, disease, and biotechnology. Understanding genome structure is essential for advancing our knowledge of living organisms and developing applications to address various biological challenges. So hit subscribe on whatever platform you get your podcasts, so you don't miss the rest of our short summary episodes, nor our regular episodes with leading experts. And remember, this quick summary is intended as just one element of your broader revision plan. There are lots of resources available via Glow, such as Scholar or WestOS, as well as BBC Bitesize. Or why not check out one of Lecky's great revision books and use the code LeckyPodcast40 to get 40% off on their website, www.leckyscotland.co.uk.